All right, guys. So just got back from Wawa. Ate, did a little bit, didn't film. So I moved the RX-7 to the center of the garage, so I have full access all the way around the car, and can finally open the driver door with no issue. But we're going to be putting the entire interior back together. I'm hoping today. Just one small step. So a quick rundown of like what's all out right now. I have the cluster all out. Obviously this is just connected by some wires. Have this centerpiece out with the radio and climate controls and everything. Have this middle piece out. It's not bolted or anything. Underneath it's a little bit of a wiring mess. I'm actually going to be tackling that right now. Some stuff just hanging down a little bit. Once the plate goes on, it kind of covers everything, but I'm going to be zip tying everything up so it doesn't get caught on my foot at all when I'm driving. However, there's a lot of random wires that I'm going to have to clean up. So probably time lapse this one as well. Set it up in the back of the car or something. And see how much I can get done. I also have to ground this, which I'm going to tap into over here. And I'll keep you guys updated then. So it looks a lot better. It might not be a lot better, but I tapped into this ground here. That's nice and tight. I zip tied all the wires up, so once the cover goes on here, it'll kind of hide these. And then this, I'm going to this is a turbo timer. I'm going to pull all of the double-sided tape off. And then there is actually a Velcro thing here that I'm probably going to put back there. So that'll be up out of the way too. But everything looks good. Zip tied the turbo timer cables up, and I believe the wideband was also over here. I zip tied that up too. So everything's out of the way now, as you can tell. And all I have to do is put the bottom piece, I have to put the cover back on up here, and hopefully move forward from there. All right, so quick update on what I've been doing. I didn't record some of it, so I thought I'd just show you. So, get the light going through the cluster in, underneath the column, above the column. This cover, I relocated those grounds up a little bit so then I could put this panel back on, which was never on. So I'm pretty excited about that. Threw that on, and that's pretty much where we're at now. I just vacuumed too because some of the metal shavings from drilling a hole were there. So vacuumed everything out, looks good. So I'm gonna start tackling the center console area. All right, guys. So at this point, I forgot to videotape some things, and I'll pretty much go out in the garage and just show you what I did that I didn't videotape. I do have more footage to go through. I did film this a couple weeks ago, so bear with me because I forget what exactly I taped and what I didn't tape. I just watched a clip that I edited that I don't have an outro to, so this is going to be the outro, and I'll fill you in with the rest of the interior. But I'm gonna go out in the garage. This is Maggie. She's my kitty, and I love her. She's a good girl. Alright guys, I'm out in the garage now. I'm not gonna show anything over there because there's things that I'm gonna show in a later video that are already done. But just to update, we have all of the interior back in. I have the steering wheel. I don't have the horn on right now just because of the fact that I was thinking about going with a quick release. So all that is holding on right now is it's just this bolt, or this nut. Anyway, the one thing I forgot to record was this piece actually needs to go on before the cluster. So you watch me put the cluster back in with everything, and I forgot to put this piece on because there's two tabs that go about an inch and a half in over here and down here, and it was impossible to get without breaking either piece, so I had to pull everything back out and redo it just to get this front face on. But it's on now. Got this piece back in, and got the floor mats back in and everything. So the whole interior is put back together. Alright, so that's all for this video. That's all the interior stuff. I will be going over the exterior stuff and what I got and what I did and everything in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned to see what's next.
The future look perfect.